Hey everyone. So this is how to use the My Influencers tool. Alright, so we've built relationships with great Amazon influencers and we've set their status to influencer. And so now we're ready to work with them. So you head over here to the My Influencers tool and you'll see all of your influencers here, conveniently in one place. You're going to see the influencer, what type of influencer they are, any tags that you've associated with them, the size of the influencer, the actions that they're going to be doing to promote you. You're going to see a button to add your featured content. So in other words, when they featured you on a blog or a YouTube video, simply paste in the link and then we'll track it for you in the My Featured Content page. You can add notes. You can look at their stats. Or you can delete them. So let's talk about influencer actions. And this is ultimately what they're going to be doing to promote you on Amazon. So when you run Amazon.com itself through powerful SEO tools, you can generally see the top 5 referral sources that do the best job at driving traffic from off of Amazon onto Amazon. And in the top 5 consistently are blogs and YouTube videos. So when you work with an Amazon influencer, generally speaking, you want to get included on a piece of content that's evergreen. In other words, that people are visiting year round, that you already know is driving traffic and sales to Amazon. So for example, a blog post, top 10 supplements for leaky gut, top 10 probiotics, things like that. And once you've been included on that piece of content, simply set article inclusion. And then, like I said, you can paste in the URL of the article that you've been included on. But after that, you want to keep the relationship going because as we know on Amazon, your ability to drive traffic from off of Amazon onto Amazon specifically for your products heavily influences your Amazon SEO and your ability to get found on Amazon, your Amazon pay-per-click, that sort of thing. So in other words, Amazon likes it when you drive traffic from off of Amazon onto Amazon. And so you'll notice the influencers that you find, they have powerful blogs, powerful YouTube channels, but also powerful social media. So after you've built a relationship with an Amazon influencer, the next thing that you want to do is keep that relationship going. So perhaps do a giveaway for their audience. Have them do a review specifically about you. Because you think about it, when a customer learns about a product, generally speaking, they're going to head to Google or YouTube and type in the name of the product and then type in review. And what you want them to find is content from influencers recommending you and doing a review of your product. So we've already talked about article inclusion and we've already talked about YouTube video. And generally speaking, whether it's once a quarter, once a month, you're going to partner with your influencers and give them a discount code, a promo code that you create in Seller Central or Vendor Central to give to them. And so when that promo code is used, you can tell it came from that influencer's audience. And so there's many ways to partner with Amazon influencers. And this helps you quickly and easily keep track of that. And this has been the My Influencers tool. Hope this helps. If you need any more help, please join our Facebook group or contact us via chat. Thanks, everyone.